feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Baked Alaskan. Well, it's Thankful Thursday, and I'm just going to get right into it. I'm really thankful that I'm feeling so much better as far as my cold goes. I still have this funny little squeak in my voice, but I feel like I would say 200% better. I have more energy. If I could just use that energy because of my bad hip, that would be really great, but it's been really painful. So anyways, it's me and Cannabis. We're good friends. I think you know her. And Remy's here too, even though he's trying to knock the camera down. I don't really know what is going on here. Making some muffins, I think. Hey. I'm gonna smoke this and you don't like it. He's been really needy this morning. I meant that as needy, N-E-E-D, but needy works too. So, anyways, let me just, come on. You're gonna stay here for this? You're really gonna stay here for this? You'd have to be so bitchy about it. Excuse me for a sec. So Thankful Thursday. Let's talk about that. Like, I know I do this every week, and people are probably like, why are you telling me what you're thankful for? Well, I do this because it's an awakening for me. And I hope that it encourages other people to have an awakening of their own about their own lives and what they need and what they're getting and receiving, in this crazy universe we're in. And I guess by making it an important day of the week for me, I'm achieving something that I can't achieve on my own. I have to be reminded that I need to be grateful. I have to be reminded that I am thankful for things without even realizing it, and that's so important because being grateful is what keeps you grounded and what keeps you centered, and I just think it's really important. So that's why I do this. Have a smoke to that. I threw some loose leaf in here. So it's not burning so good this morning. The end of the container with all the leaves. That's what I'm working with here. It all smokes. So what am I grateful for? Right now, I'm like really into the birds singing outside. It's so beautiful, and my cats are nowhere to be seen because they're in the other room watching the birds fly from the tree outside to the balconies to the feeders and stuff. And it's just, I love that part of the morning when, the cats are hunting, but I know they can't hurt anything. And the birds are happy and they're fed and they're just chattering around and bouncing around outside in the tree. And we have this gorgeous tree outside. I'll try to take a picture of it so you can see what it looks like. But it's one of my favorite things about living in this apartment is it's literally right off the back, and in the summertime when it's in full foliage, it's just really beautiful. It's got to be at least 100-year-old tree. It's gorgeous. And I'm just talking out of my ass. I don't know how old the tree is, so. Let's have another one of these. So, another thing I'm really thankful for, and this probably should have been said first, is the fact that there is an International Women's Day, but all the women across the world who are celebrating by abstaining and showing people what women do on a day-to-day basis. I think that's a very powerful statement, and I just think what an honor it is to be a part of that. I wish I could do more to really further the cause, but I do what I can online, and yeah, I know my limits, unfortunately, so, or fortunately, depending on where you come from in that spectrum. I totally filled my lighters up the other day. Look at that. Now it won't light. Look at that. What the hell, man? Can you hear those birds? It's wonderful. Maybe we'll go out there. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a little cold out here. Can't stand it. Alright, I'm going back inside. It's too cold to be out here. Well, we're back inside. I'm freezing now. Totally didn't wear shoes out there. It was like 50, not even 50. I can't even check how cold it is because I'm using my phone, but it's like 30 or something. It's cold. Anyways, I just want to say I didn't really talk about what else I was thankful for. And I wanted to say I was thankful also for my cats for really being taking care of me when I haven't been feeling well. And I know that sounds stupid, but they really do make a difference. And I'm very grateful for them every day that I have to spend with them, because I know how short life is. And I'm grateful, obviously, for my wife. She's wonderful and giving and caring and just a beautiful spirit. And every day I think whatever is up there that we met, because I don't know where I'd be without her. So that's so important. And you know, our families for being so supportive of us being together, even though it kind of puts them both in a place, or it did back in the day, you know, when we were freshly gay and everything else controversial. But I think it's just important to have a support system, and when you're lucky enough to have one, you have to be grateful for it, because so many people don't have one. And it's important. I want to say thanks for all of you. I mean, really, I don't know what to say. Thank you for taking an interest in my life, and thank you for watching and commenting and liking and subscribing and doing all the cool YouTube things you kids do. I I really have enjoyed my time here, so thank you. And I think my battery is flashing. Oh, maybe. The majestic Remy in his natural habitat. Kind of looks like he's sitting on my shoulder. Caw, caw. I don't know. I'm kind of a one-note comedian. That's all I have for you. At least I like my own jokes. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Be well. Remember, Thankful Thursday. Be grateful today.